Okay, viewers, without wasting any time, let me first show you an amazing animal video. In this video, a person attaches a small camera to different animals and sends them into their natural homes. Through the camera, we can see what actually happens inside their nests or habitats. Viewers, I have also generated similar videos today using the same method. Let me show them to you one by one. First, take a look at the lizard video, then the ant video, and finally the snake video. These are just examples to show you how a camera is attached to the animal and how it moves into its home. Through the camera, we can see what their habitat looks like and how many other creatures live there with them. And the best part is that all of these videos were generated by me using AI. So, without wasting any time, let's move to our first step. First of all, you need to generate prompts using ChatGPT. But don't worry, to save your time, I have already prepared prompts for you for a snake, a lizard, and an ant. I will show them to you one by one. For example, I asked ChatGPT to generate scene-by-scene prompts like camera attached to a lizard, the lizard running inside its burrow, and other similar scenes. Using a single master prompt, I generated all the scene prompts I needed. I'm not showing the full prompt generation process here because I already explained that in my other videos. Also, all these prompts will be available in my YouTube video description. You can simply download them from there and use them easily. All you have to do is copy and paste the prompts, and I will show you exactly where to paste them so your video can start generating automatically. As you can see, all the prompts are very unique and high quality. I have also created a document called Viral Animal Camera Niche Prompts, which I will share through my YouTube link so you can download it easily and copy the prompts directly from there. Now that all our prompts are ready, let's move to the next step, generating the video. For this, you simply need to open the Grok AI Tool, because these days it's very trending and powerful. Then click on the image option. First, I will copy the first prompt for the lizard scene. After copying it, I will paste it here. You can select the resolution that you prefer, and then click on the Generate option. Viewers, this usually takes around 30 to 40 seconds, sometimes less than a minute, and the first scene will be generated. As you can see, a person has attached a small camera to the lizard, and now the lizard starts moving forward. Now I will copy the second scene prompt and paste it here again. After generating, you will see an option called Extend Video. When you click on the three dots, you can extend the video by adding the next scene. This means the next prompt will automatically continue the story. After waiting a few seconds, the second scene is also ready. Now I will paste the third prompt and generate it. And after a short wait, the third scene will also be ready. In the same way, I will upload the fourth prompt and click on Extend Video again. After a short wait, the full video will be generated. Now you can see the complete video. It shows that a cameraman attached a camera to a lizard, and the lizard moves toward its burrow. Inside, you can see multiple lizards and their eggs, giving a very realistic view of what their home looks like. Now we can download this video. Next, I move to the second example, the ant camera video. First, I copy the first prompt, camera on an ant. I paste it here and click Generate. After a few seconds, the first ant scene is ready. Again, I click on the three dots on the side and choose Extend Video. Then I copy the second prompt and paste it. In the same way, I paste the third and fourth prompts so the full sequence can be generated. After generating all the scenes, you can see the final video where the camera follows the ant inside its colony. The result is again very amazing and engaging. Finally, I move to the snake video. Just like before, I copy the snake prompts one by one and paste them here, exactly the same way I did for the lizard and the ant videos. Within a short time, all the scenes are generated and combined into a final video. As you can see, the snake camera video is also generated successfully. This means Grok AI is very powerful, especially when it comes to creating extended videos and combining multiple scenes into a longer video. So viewers, I hope you really enjoyed today's short tutorial. In the future, we will continue bringing you more tools, more viral niches, and more creative AI content ideas. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching.